So guys, we're heading to the foodway to get some fish.
Some red snapper,
yeah, red
guys.
snapper. And see what else we'll get.
What you getting, like a hand of it?
Just let me know how big though.
Decent size.
That's good.
Yeah. Ew, they look sticky at the bottom. Too small. Some big hands. You gotta get a bag too. Like really. No baby chiquitas. No baby bananas. Like let them be like this size.
Some choose a good banana.
Yeah, but you gotta get more than that. And guess what I realized?
Alright, this.
Yeah.
It's not too small.
Get those in the first, the few that you picked up.
So this one?
Yeah, that's cool. In a plastic bag. No plants in unless you really want them. How much are the plants in?
That's in the price.
You need scallion for the fish? Okay. No, grab one or two.
Scotch bonnet pepper, Jamaican Scotch bonnet.
I don't think we need it. Oh, we need peas. Where's the fish?
What the hell is this?
I have no idea what that is. Comment down below if y'all know what this is.
Yeah, look at some cool eat at Jamaica. Breadfruit. Roots are fried.
Mangoes.
Bigger roots, right? What's the bigger roots?
I only want one though.
One?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I'll just...
I like that one. That looks better. You didn't want the corn? No? Chocho? What we need chocho for? You want to buy? They have pumpkin? Even the tomatoes, you want any or no? You want any? Alright. Grab a bag of the potatoes though. A bag of the potatoes. The Idaho. You're a nice one.
What need bread?
I wanted to see if they have any hard dough. Wait, this is not hard dough bread. This some other type of bread.
So no how to?
Alright, let's just go get the fish. I wanted the bun and cheese though. If you see bun, the spice bun.
You know how it turtles? No.
The cheese, I'm just gonna get it.
I've never seen this in Jamaica before. I've never seen this product. Some Rio Grande instant, well, hibiscus instant drink. Never seen that before in Jamaica. So we're looking for pigtail, guys. We're gonna make some stew peas. So
And people normally mix the pigtail with what else? What else if you can put what else? These are actually blue Maryland crabs. You want them? It's the whole one. It's not the baby. Okay. All right, bye. I don't know what they have here for you. I got you a dresser. That's a lot of money. So no to that one.
no, that. Which one?
Let's make sure all of them.
This one?
No, that one looks small. Get nice big ones. Like that one look good.
This one?
Yeah.
Does them hold on to one another?
That's why they say crabs in a barrel. So they don't want to let each other go. You might as well get the other one with it, yeah.
So that's my first one.
Yeah, that's good. Don't drop the bag because I don't want them to be dead. Don't kill them.
And I'm messing up them in the head.
Don't hit them in the head because I want to bring them home alive. Fresh.
So this one.
I don't like the back of that one.
This one?
A bigger one. See, these look pretty done. That's a good one.
Good job.
You want me to start over?
What about this one?
let go, loosen up. Keep going. It's a lot of work. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Maybe do 2 more big ones. Nice size one. Yeah, that one is a big one. Oh yeah, that looks good. You could just drop both of those in. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, well, I think we're good.
So salt and black pepper.